Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here and welcome to my weekly B-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the diving worm. I divided this into 4 steps, so the first 2 steps is really simple, okay? First step, you're gonna put your right leg to the front. Alright? Now for the second step, you're gonna put your right leg and bring it to the back. So the first and second step is just on your right leg. First step, right leg to the front. Second step, right leg to the back. Now for the third steps, it's time you bring or swing your left leg to the back, and when you swing you want to kick your left leg back and up. Alright, so back and up. This allows you to create momentum to going down to the worm. While you're doing the third step, at the same time you're gonna put your right hand to the ground. So after you swing, that means your body is gonna go down, and then you're gonna place both your hands on the ground as well to catch yourself. For the last step or the fourth step, it's time to swing your right leg up as well. So remember the third step, your left leg is going up. While doing that, your hand should be on the ground to catch yourself, and then follow with your right leg. Alright, now I compile that all together. I'm gonna do it very slow and see how it goes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There you go, the diving worm. As you get more confidence, you can do the jump or the third step. You can kick it even higher and then going down. Alright, it makes your move looks more explosive. So that's about it. Subscribe, let this video give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.